CCP has sealed one shop here in Panjim city, which was masquerading as a official authorized center for repairing Apple products. Now, why this decision of CCP is important? See, today there are many cases all over Goa which Goacan has come to know, and even in this case we were monitoring for a long time now. The trade licenses of these shops, which are supposed to be given by Panchayat and municipality. Now, what the modus operandi is that a person establishes a business, puts a board, then puts the logo of the company and start canvassing the business. So the consumers never go to find out whether this shop has got, first of all, a trade license. Dealers also. More and more fake items are coming in the state of Goa, and it is also getting into the area of services. So what is happening, when I see the logo of a particular company, I go there and expect that I will get service of that company. Now, whether that company is authorized that person to operate or not, whether that shop is having the genuine spare parts or not, this becomes the question. And from Goacan, that government should take cognizance of these episodes that are happening in different parts of Goa. We have already identified cases in Madgaon, which is the commercial capital of Goa, of shops which are not having trade licenses, but they are offering all sorts of services, like I will repair your washing machine, I will repair your sound system, etc., etc. And the person gets fed up. So today we want to also announce that we are going to run a 60-day campaign, whole of December and January, where our volunteers will start visiting these places. We have got definite information, but we will visit, we will highlight these places, and we want the government to act.